I'm melting. This is my latest image. Los Angeles Fire Department tourist 9/11 Flight 93 check. So 9/11 Flight 93 check is you picking up your phone. Call me, John Melton Brady, right now, 424-229-4140. Make a video of whatever you get. When you don't get me, those hijacking your calls to me, and you don't know when else your phone won't be allowed to work properly without that being what it should be, news. They are worried enough about all the phone records covered up, so you get that on video. 424-229-4140, and you call up Fire Chief Terrorist on down to every LA firefighter, every California firefighter. What do you know about this, man? We've been seeing 93 check images, his videos for years. If they don't know what a 93 check is, they are involved or they're incompetent, and you need to not come here until they're competent. So what do you think? It's a different font, Gill, Sans Bowl, Cinnabon. Remember when you hear Spectrum, checking, post, and file, you hear that siren in your neck of the woods, wherever you live across America, try to call John Melton Brady, me, Melton. Not one 9/11 Flight 93 check in over a decade of asking, guys. Well, here's what it looked like before. Different font, smaller font. Make that video, post that video, and yes, Fire Chief Terrorist on down, ask them via speakerphone before you come out here. What do you know about John Melton Brady? And those Flight 93 checks, they don't know what a Flight 93 check is. They are involved or they are incompetent in America's hijacked lifelines. This image right here is kind of complicated, kind of busy, a whole lot of stuff in it, but it's busy for a point. If you call up the LA Fire Department, from Fire Chief Terrorist on down, and you ask him, you can zoom in on this with your phone, or just look for the folder with this, the slideshow, and you ask him, what do you know about John Melton Brady? He's been making 93 check images, asking for folks to check their lifelines. Can't reach me right now. You have no idea when else your phone won't be allowed to work. Make a video of that. Make a video of Hussein's and Trump's phone game. If any LA Fire Department firefighters don't know what a 9/11 Flight 93 check is, they're involved or they're incompetent. You don't need to be out here when your child has appendicitis or you need a doctor and they're checking your political affiliations, your religion, before they do things properly. I am Melton, and I finished this image yesterday. I'm having trouble because of the repetitive breaking of my computer and electronic devices, but I finished yesterday. And you want to know how I know how many calls are pouring into the LA Fire Department about their active participation in America's hijacked lifelines? How do I know? Because the Mormons who provide the hatred noise down below have started to up that hatred noise again to distract for the fire department. So make that video of America's hijacked lifelines, 424-229-4140, and you do that via speakerphone with the LA Fire Department taking a very personal part. Yes, I've had insulin poisoning because I haven't got one 93 check in a decade of asking. This image is a little crowded, but it's crowded for a point. I'm John Melton Brady, Melton. Yes, son of a carpenter, married, dad a carpenter, worked on skyscrapers, mom Marianne. And I have been asking for 9/11 Flight 93 checks. That's you picking up your phone and knowing that it works all the time because you can reach me. Not one in over a decade of asking. Those hijacking your calls to me are worried enough about it to all their phone records covered up. And yes, I've been making these 93 check images for the past decade. Big 5 here tells everyone that's a 4x6 photo. Print it out, and yeah, you call up terrorist on down of the LA Fire Department, ask him, what do you know about this man? Ask him for 93 checks. What's your active part in him not getting one?